Friends, have a look. This is our SBA office, LIC Life Plus. Mr. Pradip Kumar Ghosh, Development Officer. Office location is Banarhat Adarshopalli, Dharmashala Road, Banarhat District, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Have a look, friends. You can deposit your money, your premium. Have a look, friends. This is our SBA office, Senior Business Associate, Life Plus, LIC Life Plus, Mr. Pradip Kumar Ghosh, our Development Officer. Have a look, friends. Banarhat Dharmashala Road. You can deposit here your premium and get money receipt also, no problem. Have a look, friends. Have a look. This is my black cat, Rajan Bhai, LIC agent. Have a look, friends. Rajan Bhai, LIC agent. This is my black cat. Just I am going inside of the office. Have a look. Have a look, friends. This is our senior Mr. Samar Datta. Have a look. হাত দেখায় দাও সমর দত্ত, very good man and sincere man, very honest man, our senior agent Mr. Samar Datta. Have a look. Our cashier Miss Minu Agoral. Have a look. You can deposit your premium here, no problem. Our development officer's office name is SBA Life Plus. Location is Banarhat Dharmashala Road, Banarhat, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. Have a look, friends. Myself Rajan Bhai. My original name is Devashish Bhomik. Everybody call me Rajan Bhai. I am also a old agent. I am doing LIC's work near about 24 years. Okay, friends, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Again, look, our senior agent, Mr. Samar Datta. Very senior agent and very good man and honest also. I appreciate him. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.